2. Then we go for the total circumference of the nipple points. That's 39. The under bust 33. The half length 33. Then here the nipple is, that's 44. So after that, we measure our nipple to nipple. Those are the things we need for this tutorial. That's 7 inches. Then the middle part of our breast to the side, you can see where the corset will end. This is 8 inches. Those are the things we are going to need for this tutorial. So now let's go to our table. We sketch out everything. Now I've measured all my body's measurements since the shoulder. But before I measured the shoulder, I left ½ inch by the side. Then I started the measurement of my shoulder. This ½ inch, I measured it to where the basque frame should be. That's the allowance for joining the middle part of the corset. Then I measured my body's measurement. I measured 8 inches here, 7 inches rather here. That's how low I want the neck, where the corset is going to start. That's how low I want it to be. Then my armhole, this is my nipple point. Like we measured earlier, 10 inches. That's my nipple point. I started from where the ½ inch ends. So this is it. Then my under bust divided by 4 plus 2 inches throwing allowance. I added 2 inches throwing allowance to everything. You can see. Then the back, so I used the waist measurement for it. So after that, I will now measure my nipple to nipple, which is 7.5. That's 7 divided into 2. That's 3.75. 3.75. I'll measure it from the upper part of the bust to the back. And I'll connect everything together. After doing that, I'll measure my darts out, which is ½ here, then ½ here. Sorry, I ought to start from the under bust. So ½ here, ½ here. Then I'll connect it. You know how we do that? Normal dart measurement. It's just like doing your normal darts. Then to the back, I'll come down straight. You can see. Then I will measure. I told you we'll measure from the nipple point to where we want the top of the corset to end. So when I did that, I got 8. So this is my 8 from the middle point. This is my 8. Now I said from the middle part, from the middle, we measure the 8 inches. I measure from the middle to where I want my corset to end. This is it. Then let me just give it a dot shape one. Then from there I'll come up by 1 inch. If you have your set square, you can use it here. Same applies to this side. Come up by 1.5 inch. Please ensure I did not come to the middle part where the dart is. Then this upper part, I'll come down by 1 inch on this edge. Note, I'm still using the 8 inches measurement. Same here. I'll come down by 1 inch. So this is already the corset, but because of the shape that I want it to have, then I'll come. You can see this is the nipple point. Yes, this is the bust nipple point. So now I'll come down by half on the nipple point here to half. So I'll now connect it to the middle, to the nipple to nipple. So this is our corset. So if I want to cut now, this is out of it, this shape, I'll cut them out. This shape, I'll cut them out. Then to get my basque, this one too, I don't need it. So this is going like this. This is all what I need. So all the unwanted parts, those ones are the one I'm giving that asterisk shape. Then this is my half length. I will now slant it to my basque point. I will still reshape it small after joining them. I've cut out the useful part that I need in the material, cut them out. Now I want to reshape this corset part. Like I said earlier, I also have cut this side off. So now I'll just give this a curved shape, not so sharp. A curve, just bend the mouth small, just to give it a curved shape. So now I'll trim on this. So in order not to make mistake, I will label them. I will label this A, label this B, label this A, label this B. But in order to know which side is facing the right side and which side should be on the left side, so I will write AL, which is the left side, AR, which is the right side, then this one to BL, BR. So now I already know which to join with which and how it's going to look like. So I will not make mistake doing that. So I already know this one is A and this is A as well. They are going to be together. This one is going to be on the left side, this is going to be on the right side. So this is the end of the class. So if you like this tutorial, give it a thumb. Now I've pinned down the remaining. After cutting all the unnecessary part, I pinned down the remaining. So in order to get my basque, I'll now reshape. Like I said earlier, I said I will still reshape it. So I'll reshape it like so. So you can see the basque shape coming out. I use my pin to pin the middle down. So the remaining, this one, because of the shape of my corset, because of the shape, I'll add half inch to this. But let me cut out. I'll pin this side two together so as not to make mistake while cutting. Then I will add my sewing allowance. So after pinning it down, I'll cut it out. I see it's in one piece now. So this, I will add my sewing allowance to it. I'll add half inch here, then half inch here, half inch on every side. So let me do that. I'll add half for my joining so that it won't be too short while joining it. So thank you for watching. Then this one, I'll add half to their sides to everything so that it's just for the joining. Thank you.